To publish websites in Canva, I would go over to the website design I'm already working on here and open that website. And you can see that I've already started designing my website and it's all coming together. And I want to publish this website. To publish my website, let's come over here where it says publish website. You would see it here. And from here, you can see the preview of your website. But if you still want to see it further, you can click on this to open that up for you to see how your website is going to look on desktop and how it's going to look on mobile. Let us continue to publish this website, and you come over to settings here. You want to turn on search engine visibility. If you want your website to be discovered on search engines, if you want to add password to your website, you can do that from here. The navigation is always automatically turned on. The resize on mobile is also turned on for this. Now, if you're happy with this, you can move over to pages. If you have more than one page in your website design, you can come here and also do the settings for that page. If we go back from here, you can click on publish here to publish your website. Our website is live. You can see it from here, and you can copy your link by clicking on copy here. But if you decide to visit the website, you can see how your website is all coming together when you come to your website.